Fewer vitamins every older adult must take to eliminate wrinkles. Have you noticed that after the age of 60, your skin suddenly looks thinner, drier, and wrinkles seem to appear overnight? Many people believe this is just aging. But what if the real problem isn't age, it's vitamin deficiency? Dermatologists and nutrition experts now say that certain vitamins can literally reactivate your skin's repair system, helping the body produce collagen again, protect against damage, and even smooth wrinkles naturally. And here's the most surprising part. Even people in their 70s, 80s, and beyond can see noticeable improvements when these nutrients are added consistently. Today we're going to reveal 4 vitamins every older adult must take to rejuvenate the skin, reduce wrinkles, and restore that healthy glow. And make sure you stay until the end, because the last vitamin is considered one of the most powerful anti-aging nutrients for skin. Before we talk about the vitamins, it's important to understand what actually happens to your skin as you age. After the age of 60, the body goes through 3 major changes. First, collagen production drops dramatically. Collagen is the protein responsible for keeping skin firm and smooth. By the time we reach our 60s, the body produces up to 50% less collagen than it did in our youth. Second, the skin loses elastin. Elastin is what allows the skin to stretch and snap back into place. When elastin declines, the skin becomes loose and wrinkles start forming. And third, cell regeneration slows down. When we were younger, our skin replaced damaged cells quickly. But with age, that renewal process slows, making the skin look dull, rough, and aged. Before we continue, type the word skin in the comments if you're committed to protecting your skin and reducing wrinkles naturally. Now then, this is where many people make a very common mistake. Many people try to fix this problem using only creams or external treatments. But the truth is, the health of your skin largely depends on what's happening inside your body. And what many people don't realize is that certain vitamins can activate natural processes in the body that help protect, repair, and nourish the skin from within. These vitamins support collagen production, help protect skin cells from age-related damage, and also promote healthy skin regeneration. That's why when the body receives the right nutrients, the skin can remain stronger, more elastic, and maintain a healthier appearance, even after the age of 60. Let's start with the first one. Vitamin number 1, vitamin C. The first essential vitamin for youthful skin is vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of the most powerful antioxidants the body uses to protect the skin. It fights oxidative stress caused by sunlight, pollution, and toxins that damage skin cells. But that's not the most important benefit. Vitamin C is absolutely required for collagen production. Without enough vitamin C, the body simply cannot build strong collagen fibers. That means the skin becomes weaker, thinner, and wrinkles appear faster. Some of the best vitamin C foods include oranges, kiwi, strawberries, guava, bell peppers. Vitamin number 2, vitamin E. The second essential vitamin for aging skin is vitamin E. Vitamin E is often called the vitamin of the skin. That's because it acts as a protective shield for skin cells. Every day, your skin is exposed to UV rays, pollution, and environmental toxins that cause oxidative damage. This damage accelerates aging and leads to wrinkles, dryness, and dark spots. Vitamin E works by neutralizing free radicals, protecting skin cells from this damage. But it also does else that's extremely important for older adults. Vitamin E helps maintain the skin's moisture barrier. Some of the best natural sources include almonds, sunflower seeds, avocado, olive oil. Vitamin number 3, vitamin A. The third vitamin is vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for cellular renewal. This means it helps the body replace old, damaged skin cells with new, healthy ones. When vitamin A levels are low, the skin renewal cycle slows down. Dead cells accumulate on the surface of the skin, making it look rough, dull, and wrinkled. But when the body receives enough vitamin A, it stimulates the production of new skin cells, improving texture and reducing visible signs of aging. Some of the best foods rich in vitamin A include carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, pumpkin. These foods contain beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, and that helps support healthy, vibrant skin. Vitamin number 4, vitamin D. The skin rejuvenation vitamin most people forget. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in skin cell growth, repair, and immune protection. Low vitamin D levels are extremely common in older adults, especially those who spend less time in the sun. But studies show vitamin D helps regulate skin cell turnover and inflammation, both of which are critical for maintaining youthful skin. Some of the best sources include sunlight exposure, fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, fortified dairy products. When older adults regularly consume foods rich in vitamins C, E, A, and D, the body gradually restores its ability to repair skin, produce collagen, and protect against damage. Over time, this can lead to smoother skin, fewer wrinkles, and a healthier glow. Before you go, comment below and tell me, how old are you? And which of these vitamins do you already include in your daily diet? And if you want more natural ways to keep your skin youthful, your body strong, and your health thriving after 60, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications.